What's up, everybody? I got 4 dual voice coil 2 ohm speakers, and we're gonna wire them to 1 ohm. So I hooked the power to the negative, positive and negative, and then on this positive and negative, they're gonna run to the amp. See, right now we at 2 ohm. And all the wires, see, you're gonna hook every single one up like this, positive to negative, and then you're gonna hook all your positive and negatives on this side, on every speaker, to the amp, and it's gonna come out to 1 ohm. So if you're new to the channel, we do subs, we do engine builds. I'm gonna show y'all this BMF red truck, coldest red truck on the internet. And we hooked up. Drop this into place. And if you look at the meter, it should read 1 ohm. 4 subs, 1 ohm. Check out for other videos. We're gonna have these subs flexing in this truck, man. Holla at me later.